Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Go Lucky Gecko, a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first we're going to get started with the face. So in the middle for the nose, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the left. For the nostril on the left-hand side, now we're going to curve this line over. For the right eye on the bottom, we're going to arch this line over. And then we're going to come up on a diagonal, leaving a gap, curving this line all the way around and then up for the bottom of our left eye. Now on the inside on our nose, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. And then from the top left-hand corner here, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the side. Now from here, we're going to draw on the pupil of the eye. So we're going to start by drawing in an oval on the left. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now from here for the mouth, we're going to start on the right-hand side, curving this line down. And then we'll do the same thing as we move further over on the left. Closing off the top of the mouth, we're going to curve this line in towards our nose. And then again, we'll replicate this on the left, curving this line in. Closing off the bottom of the mouth now, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that all the way up on the side. For the tongue, we're going to arch this line across. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line back down. Now for the face, for the cheek, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now for the top of the head, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then again, moving across on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then back down in the corner. Moving around the left eye now, we're going to start on the inside and we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down on the left. And then now from here, from that corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then across. Let's draw on the left arm now. So moving further down, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Moving across, we're going to arch this line around, back up. And then for our last finger, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in towards the top, connecting that together. Now from here, starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the top. And then for the back, we're just going to curve this line in towards our chin. And then for the wrist, we're just going to close that off by curving this line over. For the pendant now, we're going to draw in a circle. And then moving in toward the middle, we're going to replicate that again one more time. We're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines on both sides, closing off the pendant. And then moving down for the torso, we're going to curve this line in. And then we're going to arch that line back around and then in towards the arm. Stepping in one more time, we're going to curve this line down. And then again, moving underneath, we're going to curve this line all the way around and over. Now let's draw on the right arm. So we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes out. On the top, we're going to arch this line over. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line down. Moving up now, we're going to arch this line around and then in. In the middle, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then moving down one more time, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. And then now from this corner, we're going to arch this line across. And then closing off the arm, we're just going to bring that line back in. Closing off the wrist, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And in the middle, we're just going to curve this line down. For the leg now on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. On the left-hand side, now we're going to curve this line back around and then down. In the middle, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then again, one more time, just curving this line around and then up towards that corner. Closing off the ankle now with a curved line from left to right. For the right leg, we're going to arch this line up towards the middle. Stepping across on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line down. For the rest of the foot now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then one more time, just arching this line around and across. And then again for the ankle, we're just going to curve this line over. For the tail, we're going to arch this line out and then back in on the bottom of the hand. And that is it. That's how you draw Go Lucky Gecko, a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.